40 feet shipping container UK transport. With so many shipping container options available, you may be curious about the weight of a 40 feet shipping container UK transport. Knowing the dimensions and weight is crucial because you must ensure that everything complies with local ordinances and meets your needs. Let's examine the precise weight of these units. All IZ Global Logistics containers are made from weather-resistant metal. The walls, doors, and framework are included. While this improves the overall durability of the container, it has a direct impact on its weight. Contents: 40 feet shipping container UK transport dimensions. IZ Global Logistics can provide you with a 40 feet shipping container UK transport. 40 feet shipping container UK transport. Doors. Always use shipping materials to safeguard your goods. Disassemble bulky items that can be easily reassembled. A 40 feet shipping container UK transport can carry a lot of stuff. 40 feet shipping container UK transport dimensions are standard. 40 feet shipping containers UK transport have a maximum gross weight of 30,480 kilograms. Unloaded, the 40-foot container weighs 3,980 kilograms. If you plan to place your container somewhere and leave it there, this will be fine as long as your property can support the weight. Due to the container's size and weight, however, moving or transporting it may prove not easy. One of our 40 feet shipping container UK transport has external dimensions of 12.19 meters in length, 2.44 meters in width, and 2.59 meters in height. This makes them cumbersome and more challenging to move, transport, or shift without the appropriate industrial-grade equipment. Our 40 feet shipping containers UK transport are ideal for transporting many items from point A to point B using approved transport methods. However, they are impractical if you have agile storage goals. Lifting the containers requires a skilled operator and a specialized truck, so moving them on a whim takes work. IZ Global Logistics can provide you with a 40 feet shipping container UK transport. We can help you acquire a new or used 40 feet shipping container UK transport. We offer a variety of shipping containers for hire or purchase, and we can transport them to any location in Australia. Our shipping containers are in excellent condition. We have streamlined the process to make it simple for customers to select their container, arrange payment, and receive it. We can deliver it to you as soon as the next business day, and our staff is skilled at positioning the container precisely where you need it. We suggest packing your boxes and materials on other standard platforms to facilitate loading and unloading, with a dolly or pallet jack. In addition to being more maneuverable, smaller platforms, such as pallets, provide an additional means of determining and measuring the dimensions of your container. Know that there are two types of pallets, standard and European. European pallets measure 0.8 meters by 1.2 meters, whereas standard pallets measure 1 meter by 1.2 meters. You should have realized by now that international use of shipping products will necessitate knowledge of the metric and imperial measurement systems. Shipping containers that adhere to the International Organization for Standardization guidelines utilize standard pallets more frequently than European pallets. In most cases, ISO guidelines indicate that you can fit between 20 and 21 standard pallets in a single 40 feet shipping container UK Transport. 40 feet shipping container UK transport doors. The diversity of door designs available for your 40-foot container will influence the sequence in which you load your cargo. If there is just a single pair of cargo doors on one end of the container, ensure that any items at the rear are accessible through a walkway or that they do not need rapid access. Double-door containers will allow you extra access from either end. So, it is prudent to consider placing unnecessary storage or shipping goods near the unit's center. This also makes it easy to drive past the storage of automobiles and trailers of products. Side opening doors provide access to your container throughout its length. Unnecessary items should be positioned along the container's long, doorless wall. Also, placing pallets that can be readily moved by heavy industrial trucks along the side of the entryway might be advantageous. Always use shipping materials to safeguard your goods when packing a shipping container with delicate objects. It is usually a good idea to utilize shipping materials such as bubble wrap, newspaper, masking tape, and other vital materials, particularly if you want to move the container. Use towels, blankets, and rugs to prevent scratching the surfaces of tables, wooden frames, and mirrors if you are low on or unable to buy traditional packing materials. Disassemble bulky items that can be easily reassembled if saving space and money is essential but not always attainable. Consider disassembling items so they can be reassembled later. You will save numerous cubic feet by removing that bed frame or weird bench with 3-foot-long legs that somehow prevent you from storing anything below it. A 40-feet shipping container UK transport can carry a lot of stuff. This container is perfect for temporary storage, long distance, family relocation, and company product or raw material transport. Making the most of a 40-foot shipping container can save you money and preserve your valuables.